best offering to God is this: I urge you, brethren, by the mercies of God, present your bodies a living and holy sacrifice. Kahit magbigay kayo ng 10,000 dyan, 5,000, 2,000, 200, o di kaya cheque nang ibigay nyo 100,000 o kung ano man yan. Pero kung ang katawan nyo ho hindi banal at hindi nyo ho ibinibigay ang inyong buhay sa Kanya, walang silbi yan. Ang hinihingi ni Lord sa atin, that our bodies will be presented to Him a living and holy sacrifice, acceptable to God. Because Christianity is not a religion. Christianity is a relationship with God. It is not a list of do's and don'ts. It is not rituals. It is about love. How much do you love God? Hindi mo matatapatan ng presyo yan. Kung ngayon palang pagod ka na mag-worship kay God, huy, gumising ka. Habang buhay kang maglilingkod, magsasamba at magpupuri sa Panginoon. Ang ginagawa natin dito, practice pa lang.